It's 2026 and we've got off to a flyer here at Mystery to Mastery. Are you practicing? Are you getting the results that you want? Mystery to Mastery. Let's take your playing to the next level. Do you practice at least 3 times a week? If so, this week's Sunday Sessions is about the learning loop and a powerful learning process that all brass players can use, sportsmen can use, business people can use. It's neurology. It's how to learn. But it has to be based on the 3 pillars. The 3 pillars are the knowledge, the integration, and the experience. Now, we work on getting the best sound you can, the easiest you've ever played. And it's true every time someone takes the plunge and comes and visits Mystery to Mastery and last resort spends, they actually realise, oh, I understand that I've been using muscles in an inefficient way and overactivating to get the sound. You can sound great, but it can be really hard, or you can make it very easy. So this week's Sunday Sessions is in block 2, so it's the best time for those in Europe. It's in America. It's a bit later at it's about 9 p.m. in London and 8 a.m. in Sydney. And we are talking about how to, 1, discover an easy way to play, 2, how to store it quickly. Now, why do most brass players struggle? Because of the information, the idea about how to play, then so bad information's integrated badly, so the experience is terrible or limited, mediocre. Versus everyone is trying to learn, well, most people, the traditional way is trying to learn by focusing on the sound that we need to make. And you'll say, well, Greg, you need to have a great sound. And I'll go, we do need to have a great sound. But trying to create a great sound generally encourages massive overexertion because trumpet and brass instruments are hard to play. Versus, we should be, now for years, 25 years, I've been saying process, results. Process, result. I'm done with it. We're not doing that anymore. It's feeling and sound. No one's doing the feeling practice. We recognise that brass instruments are hard to play, but we're not focusing on the feeling. And when we understand the mechanics, we can go, well, brass playing's no harder than humming, and I get daggers thrown at me. We're Australians, we don't mind being swooped by magpies. Right? I don't mind saying it out loud and being attacked for it, because when I demonstrate it, shut up down there. When I demonstrate it, you'll actually go, wow, I didn't know that. We have to focus on the feeling of efficient playing. The brain learns, believe it or not, from the feeling, the experience. And we want the experience to be a great sound and as effortless as possible. But in order to get to that experience, we need to have the knowledge and the understanding, and then we need to put that into action with the feeling. And what we need to recognise is that a proper breath has massive amounts of power in it. That's not to say that we never use the abdominal muscles, but the psychology of blow is activate, kick. That's not how to play a brass instrument. Expand, drop and release, which I'll explain all about at the masterclass if you decide to take the plunge. It won't cost you anything. We'll demonstrate how this works, and using the learning loop, which is based on the errors that we make, but a recognition of the errors and then we correct them. We store the new information. We know the feeling. We put it into action by playing no notes and doing drills. You will experience the feeling of easy playing in this session, and it'll blow your mind, not your chops, right? You don't have to come along. If you're happy with the way that you're playing, just keep doing that. Great, you wouldn't even be listening. But if you're like, I've seen this clown for ages, and I don't know what he's on about. I think I've got an idea, but I haven't done it yet. I haven't done the 10-step tune-up. I'm offering 25 years of education for free. Then have seven days of free lessons. And then if you like what we do, you can stay, and it'll cost you. But I'm just trying to get the information across. I can't wait to hit Rochester to show this learning process. I've spoken at the last International Trumpet Guild Conference, and they're excited for us to be there at Eastman to explain and demonstrate this, because it helps people not only learn brass instruments more quickly, but how to combat performance anxiety, how to overcome musicians' focal dystonia. And you'll go, how on earth can we work on those conditions? Most people haven't even heard of musicians' focal dystonia. The same, I've worked with people with Bell's palsy and it works. So until you come and find out, I'm going to give it to you on Sunday if you want to come along. So come and check it out. It's obligation free, but of course, we're in a platform with paid subscribers all over the world. So we can't let any, bugger from around the world just come and traipse through the Windworks Academy and do stupid stuff. So yes, unfortunately, watch how powerful the brain is. You have to put your credit card in to verify yourself. He wants my money. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I want you to have the information. I want you to have 7 days of lessons to change your life. If you like what we do, you can stay and pay. If you don't, you can go, thanks, Greg, and take it away and work on it on your own. The best idea is to get some help to get you through the playing ceilings, because basically I got to the stage with my playing where I was going to quit because I hated playing so much. Even though I was playing professional television and theatre, I hated it, needed to make a change. Years and years and years and years and years of study, talking to some amazing players around the world, getting bits and pieces of information and doing my own study and research. And it's everything covered in the 10 steps, simple 10 steps. And once you work through those, it can take about an hour. You will reconsider everything that you've ever thought about brass playing. I guarantee it. I also guarantee that you'll play easier, better sounding note, if not within the next 7 days, but the next month. And if you don't, we offer 110% money back guarantee. That's how confident I am in what we do. So if you're practicing, you're not getting the results that you want, why? Help is here. So press the link below. Come along. Don't freak out when it says add your credit card. Oh my God, he's going to charge. You won't get charged. You will not get charged a cent. You'll get sent an email. Check your email. You'll get sent the link for the session on Sunday 15th. And you'll get all the information, although you've already seen it at the page there. Come and join us. You'll love it. You will. You'll love it. It's great fun, great community, great help. Make trumpet playing easier, or brass playing, doesn't matter what you play. Or keep wasting time in the practice room. I wouldn't be going another second in your practice room on your own without getting this information. It makes no sense to me, but that's okay. Hope to see you there. Have a great day. See you at Sunday Sessions Masterclass, the learning loop to skyrocket your playing.